Hello, first graders. It is time for our reading lesson. First, we're going to work on the days of the week. So what day is it today? Very good. Today is Monday. My turn. Today is Monday. Your turn. Today is Monday. Good job. Our next one says, yesterday was. What day was yesterday? Well, yesterday was Sunday. So we're going to move this up here. Your turn. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be. What day will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Your turn. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Good job. We have our month here. We are still in the month of August. Today is August 31st, 2020. Yesterday was August 30th, 2020. And tomorrow we will be in a new month. Tomorrow will be September 1st. So this is what I just said in words. Yesterday was August 30th. Today is August 31st. And tomorrow will be September 1st. We're going to do our word work warm-up this morning. And so we are going to see the word, say the word, spell the word, and then if you want to grab your notebook or whiteboard and marker that were in the red and black bags, you can also write and check the word. So we're going to see it, say it, and spell it together. So let's look at this word. This word is go. Say the word, go. G-O says go. Your turn. G-O says go. Good job. Like. L-I-K-E says like. Your turn. L-I-K-E says like. Is. Good job. Is. I-S says is. Your turn. I-S says is. The. Say the word. Good. T-H-E says the. T-H-E says the. Good job. This. T-H-I-S says this. T-H-I-S says this. Good. Two. T-O says two. T-O says two. Good job. What's this word? We. W-E says we. Your turn. Good job. Now we're going to do our OG cards. So when I put my mouse right here on the card and click, I would like you to say the sound of the card letter that you see. So here we go. Say the sounds along with me. D. L. W. T. Z. Qu. Q is always followed by a U. I. B. V. English words never end with the letter V. it's always followed by a silent E. Y. Ah. R. K. J. No English words end in J. All right, great job. Thank you for saying the sounds along with me. Good job. All right, now we're gonna blend some sounds here. So we're gonna say each sound and then we're gonna blend the whole word. So let's get started here. S, a, b, sab. B, ab, bab. Ab, mab. T, ab, tab. S, ab, sab. Okay, now we're going to change the ending sounds. S, at, sat. T, at, tat. At, mat. B, at, bat. S, at, sat. All right, now our ending sound is Here we go. S, Sam. S, sab. S, sat. S, Sam. All right. We are going to keep on going. Great job blending those words. We're reading short A words this week. So these short A words all have the ah sound in the middle. Can you say that sound? Ah. Excellent. Good job. All right. This week we're going to be talking about new friends and experiences. Thumbs up if you have a friend, or maybe you've made a new friend recently. So it says new friends and experiences in the middle. So new experiences could be involve being brave, the first day of school, meeting others, trying new things. And friendship, things that go along with friendship are sharing, being yourself, doing things together, having different kinds of friends. So different kinds of friends could be a pet, a classmate, a neighbor, or a sister. And we made our own earlier today. Me and the friends who were able to connect to the meeting made our own web. And we made one that was called What We Do with Friends. And we decided different things that you could do with your friends is you could be nice to your friends, you could go swimming with your friends, you can play with friends, and you can share with friends. And those are some really good ideas that our first grade friends thought of this morning. What can you think of? What can you do with your friends? I think that's a really good idea. And you can draw this web. You can go ahead and hit pause on our video and draw this web in your journal and maybe add the one that you came up with too. What do you see in this picture? Very good. We see some kids at the park, and I think that they're friends. Thumbs up if you think that they're friends too. Yeah. All right, we're going to watch this video, and while we're watching it, we're going to think about how can making new friends and learning new things help us? All right. So let's answer that question that we were thinking about. How can making new friends and learning new things help us? Can you answer that? Some friends this morning said they could help you if you get hurt when you're playing outside. They could help you if you need help finding your classroom. And they could help you by sharing their things with you. What do you think? How can making new friends and learning new things help us? I think that's a great idea too. So we're going to go over some vocabulary words. Our first word is friendship. And once this loads, we're going to see a picture. And I want you to say out loud or think in your head, what do you see in this picture? Two boys who might be friends, right? Let's say the word friendship. Your turn. Friendship. Good job. When you have a friendship with someone, you like the person. So these two boys must like each other. They're friends. They enjoy each other's company. You have a friendship with probably someone in your neighborhood, your family, or someone at school. What do we see in this picture? Someone smiling, someone who might be sad, someone who maybe feels okay or maybe bored, and someone who feels angry. These are called emotions. Can you say that word? Emotions. Good. Emotions are strong feelings like happiness or sadness. Can we say that? Emotions are strong feelings. Good. We use emotions to show how we're feeling. So if something really good happened and you're happy, you might look like this guy up here in the green. But if something sad happened and you're feeling upset or maybe crying, you might feel sad and then you might look like this face in the purple. This word says challenge. Can you say that word? Challenge. Good job. A challenge is something that is hard to do. So here we see a girl, and this, I don't know about you, but I think this looks pretty hard to climb. So that would be a challenge. For us, maybe things like learning to ride a bike for the first time was a challenge because it was really hard and you probably had to practice a few times before you got it. All right, we're going to do one.